Emifenac 50DT soluble tablets stand out as a significant aid in the realm of pain management, particularly known for their efficiency in addressing toothaches, headaches, and nerve pain. These tablets are effervescent, meaning they dissolve rapidly in water, facilitating quick absorption and rendering them a popular choice for swift pain relief. The primary active ingredient in Emifenac 50DT is diclofenac, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. It primarily functions by inhibiting the body's synthesis of prostaglandins, substances responsible for inflammation and pain. This action makes Emifenac 50DT an effective remedy against a spectrum of discomforts including rheumatoid arthritis, acute migraine headaches, gout, and more. The versatility of Emifenac doesn't just stop at joint and bone pain, but extends to alleviating surgical pain, muscle discomfort from athletic activities, and even menstrual cramps. Furthermore, Emifenac serves as a relief for spine and sciatic nerve issues, showcasing its wide-ranging therapeutic benefits. For effective usage, one Emifenac 50DT tablet should be dissolved in a quarter glass of water and consumed immediately after dissolution. It is advisable to take this medication an hour following a meal to minimize potential gastrointestinal side effects. The dosage for adults typically ranges from 25 mg to 50 mg, taken thrice daily, ensuring not to exceed a maximum of 150 mg per day. While the Emifenac dental pain reliever is priced at 18.85 Saudi riyals, the cost can vary depending on the pharmacy. Despite its benefits, users should be aware of potential side effects, primarily stomach upset, and heed recommendations against use during pregnancy unless prescribed by a physician, particularly beyond the 20-week mark. There is a cautionary note on its usage during breastfeeding due to limited conclusive evidence, recommending it only when absolutely necessary. In conclusion, Emifenac 50DT tablets offer a robust solution for pain relief, though it's crucial to follow labeled instructions and professional medical advice. Alternatives such as Cataflam, Adiaflam, and Fastflam are available for those seeking different options, particularly for migraines and toothaches. Always consult with a healthcare provider to determine the best course of treatment for your needs.